everyone. This is Christoph from CW Brabender. To my right here is Joe Chaplowski, also from CW Brabender, and Ryan Kowalski as well. And this is the team that helped us fulfill one of a big demanded requests to finally have a virtual laboratory experience. So there is a big thank you and shout out to Ryan and Joe for making this happen. This is for you customers. So you see, those are unprecedented times. So what you will have here is the ability to fully see how you can utilize our equipment with your material without being here. So for material samples or virtual lab visits, we are here to help you. And I will walk you through a little bit about the capabilities. So you see, after the intro, we have a discussion camera where you guys would join us over Microsoft Teams. It's either a dial-in, and then it is a web application, or you already have it installed. So we can have the first discussion about what is going on. The beautiful benefit of all of that is, by the way, that it's going to be recorded, so you have all that data and the video for showcasing what you're going to see. But further ado, I will show you now some of the setup. So after we have the discussion camera, we can switch to different setup angles. So you see here the twin screw compounder with like some feeders and the water trough. We can also have a camera that is then closer to the downstream equipment with a pelletizer. And of course, we have the program that is showcasing what is going on. And to make things even more beautiful, if you want to see everything at once, this would be our 4-camera set split up. And since the operator is not as interesting all the times, you can just take this camera, this is the moving camera, and you can highlight then specific aspects, like, for example, if you want to see specifically the outcome of the filament that you're going to produce, of the strand, you can zoom in and you can showcase highlights of that setup. And of course, this is our moving cam, and this can be then utilized to show wherever you need a close-up shot. And yeah, that would pretty much highlight what we can do in case of virtual lab assistance. We can include everything. The recording is yours. And I think this is a beautiful capability provided here by our team at CW Brabender. And yeah, if you want to come again, we would be very happy if you would join us in the future virtually here in our laboratory at CW Brabender. Bye everyone. Take care.